Discover your musical potential in Yannis Kapa guitar. This is Yannis Kapa. For this week's video, we're going to learn B Minor Bar Chord. So what you're going to do is you're going to put all your finger on the 7th fret, okay, like this. And then you're going to put your 3rd finger on the 9th fret, 5th string. And then your pinky finger on the 9th fret, 4th string. And that's your B minor bar chord. Just make sure the thumb is right across your finger, so you'll be able to have a nice grip and use your pinky, not your pinky finger, but your fingertips in order to have a clear sound. Do not let your fingers touch the adjacent strings. And this is what you get. Okay? So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon, and press a like and leave a comment, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.